Oh shit, here we go. Oh shit. Oh shit. I can't stop.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Me and Ed at the Metro Parks about to do some longboard vlogging.
Longboard vlogging on the GoPro? What's good, ladies and gentlemen? This is Cybertech guy here.
Oh, we gotta watch out. Car's about to.
You know, I didn't want to come. I did my porch.
It's Ed first day the longboard.
Bro, just show them the road.
Bro,
Show them the road we are on.
it's just like hella dirt.
Man, that is so weird.
Oh, look at the deck. Longboard.
You think it's gonna go though?
Yeah, I think so. Get some footage of you going down this little tiny hill. Yeah. Oh, it's coming up over there. Get your speed up. Get your speed up. Oh. Watch out, I'm coming. Ed almost bust ass. I'm turning around. Oh man, that was hilarious. He almost bust ass. Oh. Watch out for him, he's dangerous. Oh, he got it. Hey. Ed swerving. Show him the swerve, Ed. Show him the swerve. Okay. Swerve. 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 Swerve.
I was looking at you.
Swerve with the switch. Oh, about to swerve. Swerve on the switch.
Wait, why didn't we buy one a long ass time ago?
Swerve on the switch.
A switch?
Swerve on the switch. Ah!
I try to.
I just found you. I just found the new challenge. Watch out, watch out, watch out. I just found the new challenge. Do you see it?
Holy fuck no.
You're not gonna try it?
That?
I'm trying it.
That?
Right now. And I'm about to longboard down it. Hey, here I come. Hey, get me on the snap. You rolling? Oh shit, here we go. Oh shit. Oh shit. Just a little, watch out! Damn. I got a little bit of road rash.
Oh, fuck. Is the board good?
Yeah, the board good.
Huh?
Yeah. Fuck. I took a tumble.
This is just part one, dumbass shit. Hoodie?
Huh?
The hoodie ripped?
Yeah, I ripped the fucking hoodie. I scraped my arm. Road rash.
Road rash.
Ooh. I hit right here too.
Can't wait for this part to happen to me.
Ooh. I was good and then it just started fucking going.
I'll tell you, this is video of me.
You record it?
Oh yeah, dude.
That shit hurt though.
You started running all of a sudden.
Dude, I was good.
Wait till I put it in slow mo.
Oh my god.
I thought you were going through it like all the way. Like I was like, how's this motherfucker gonna stop? And there's a row right in front of.
Dude, that shit hurt.
That shit hurted.
Cause I was cool and then I just started fucking running and then I tripped up because I was running too fast.
So you ain't sweating?
That shit hurt.
I gotta push.
Oh fuck,
so
my
hard.
hands stinging.
Bro, I need some new wheels, bro. I'm trying to sweat from this shit. I gotta keep fucking pushing.
Oh my god, I took a spill. I got it all on camera.
Huh?
I got it all on the GoPro.
The GoPro. Let's go. Let's go.